Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. In previous session, we had learned to model numbers from 1 to 9. I hope you have completed your homework. Are you all ready with your writing materials? So let's begin. Before starting, let me ask you something. What comes after 9? Yes, 10 comes after 9. Can you tell me 10 is single digit number or double digit number? Correct. 10 is double digit number. My next question to you is, how many ones block can cover a tens rod completely? Correct. 10 ones block can cover a tens rod completely. So now we are ready to model the number 10 using place value block. You can see I have placed 10 ones in units place. Is this the correct way to model number 10? No, because 10 ones is equal to 110. So, we can replace 10 ones with 110 and remove 10 ones out of the place value mat. Hence, 110 is still remaining in units place. So children, where will the 110 go? Will it be going in tens place or will remains in unit place only? No, it will go in tens place. Now, we can read it as 110 and 0 unit. 0 unit because in units place nothing is there. 10 is the first and the smallest two-digit number. In the two-digit number, the digit on right side is written in ones column as it is made up of ones, and it is also called as units. While the number on the left is written in tens column as it is made up of tens. We call this as 10 ones or 10 units or 110 0 ones. Now, let's read and model the number from 11 to 19 in tens and ones and also learn their number names. 110 and 1 is 11. 110 and 2 ones is 12. 110 and 3 ones is 13. 110 and 4 ones is 14. 110 and 5 ones is 15. 110 and 6 ones is 16. 110 and 7 ones is 17. 110 and 8 ones is 18. 110 and 9 ones is 19. 19 and 1 more gives the number 20. Two tens together make 20. We call this as 20 ones, 20 units, or 2 tenths, 0 ones. I hope by now you have understood. So here you have to complete the number sentence and then use the 10 frames and dots to show the number sentence. Pause the video while doing this activity and resume after completing it. I will do first one for you. To show this number sentence, we'll draw 10 dots in 10 frames. So here I'm drawing 10 dots in 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then show one more dot. 1. So there are total 11 dots that represent the number 11. Ten and 1 is 11. Now it's your turn. Next 3 sums you will complete. You will get 30 seconds to complete. Your time starts now. That's it. Time's up. Shall we check our answers? So, 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 5 is 15. 10 and 8 is 18. I hope everybody has got the correct answer. Here is the assignment for you to complete at home. While doing this assignment, you can pause the video and resume it when you are done. In this, circle 10 and write how many 10 and ones are there. First one is already done for you. I am sure that by now you can do all these things. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video again. So bye bye for now.